Let's see how to make the famous Maharashtra's Aloo Poha. Take a pan, sizzle in 3 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of peanut, 1 tablespoon of chana dal. Let them all turn golden. Add in a sprig of curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, 3 slit green chilies. Fry them. Add in a cup of sliced onion. Saute them. Now add in a teaspoon of salt. Continue to saute them. Add in a handful of finely chopped coriander. Now stir them. It's now time to add a bowl of cubed potatoes. Add in half a teaspoon of turmeric. Saute them all together. Close the lid and let them cook for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, check the cookedness of the potatoes. Now it's time to add in a bowl of washed and solen poha, that is flattened rice, to the mixture. Don't forget to put the stove off and mix them all well. Add another handful of finely chopped coriander to the cooked poha. Now it's time to taste the yummiest poha. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button for quick notification.